Welcome back, friends. Today we'll be learning Introduction to Data Structures. First, we'll see what is data structure. Second, we will see types of data structure. Third, we will see what is stack, queue, linked list, tree, and graph data structure. Now let us look at the definition of data structure. A data structure is a way in which the data is organized in computer's memory so that it can be used effectively. Now we'll see types of data structures. The very first type is called as linear data structure. A linear data structure is a structure in which the elements are stored sequentially and the elements are connected to the previous and the next element. Stack, queue, and linked list are the examples of linear data structures. Now let us see what is nonlinear data structure. A nonlinear data structure is a data structure in which the data elements are not arranged in a contiguous manner. Tree and graph are the examples of nonlinear data structures. Now let us look at the definition of what is stack. A stack is a linear data structure in which elements are inserted and deleted from one end called top. Insertion operation of stack is called as push operation. Deletion operation of stack is called as pop operation. Top is a pointer. In other sense, it is a variable which points to the topmost element of the stack. Stack follows LIFO, last in first out approach, in which the elements which is inserted last will be removed out first. Now let us look at what is queue. A queue is a data structure in which element is inserted from one end called rear end and from which element is deleted from another end called front end. Insertion operation of queue is called as NQ operation. Deletion operation of queue is called as DQ operation. Queue follows first in first out approach in which the element which is inserted first will be removed out first. Now let us look at what is linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure which consists of nodes where each node contains a data field and a link to the next node to the list. This is the basic example of linked list where 10, 20, 30 are called as data node and arrow operator points to the link which points to the next node. Now let us look at what is tree. A tree is a nonlinear data structure which consists of collection of nodes connected by edges to simulate the hierarchy. This is a basic example of tree where 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 are nodes and they are connected by set of edges. Now let us look at what is graph. A graph is a nonlinear data structure which consists of set of finite nodes which stores data and edges which connects pair of nodes. This is a basic example of graph where A, B, C, D, E, F are called as nodes and they are connected by set of edges. In the next video, we will see stack and its implementation. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel Harshil Kanakia. Thank you.